What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Okay, I gotta stop doing that because y'all probably hate it. But anyway, today is Vlogtober day 19. And today is a very special day, as you guys can see from the title. Celebrating 9 years together with my husband. Like, do y'all still celebrate y'all dating anniversary as a married couple? Because we do. So today, usually we'll do a dinner, but right now, y'all, it's 63 degrees in Florida. That's cold for me. I ordered some groceries. I'm gonna make one of his favorite pasta dishes. Quite honestly, this man like any pasta dish I make. So I decided to do Rasta Pasta. I feel like it. Matter of fact, do I even have garlic bread? Shit. Rasta Pasta, any type of pasta, again, is his favorite. If you guys remember okay, I have garlic bread. If you guys remember that trending pasta dish that was going around on TikTok, he loves that dish too. I was thinking of making that, but I'm like, no, that's our 9th year, so let me make something a little bit more better. So he sent me a dish to make, but I've never made it, and I'm like, if I try to make it and it's not good, I'm gonna be so disappointed with myself. So I was like, nah, I ain't making that. But anyway, y'all, while I wait for these groceries, I got some packages, so let's open them. I have to do it on the floor, but I don't know what some of these things are. Oh, my utensils. Okay, so they sent me a message earlier and said that your package is running late. It should be here. It should be here, or it's gonna come tomorrow. So I assume it's gonna come tomorrow, but it came. So I got tired of using paper towel to like rest my cooking utensils. So this is perfect because I'm cooking tonight. Damn, they wrapped this bitch up good. Oh, and you guys, I ordered a new Sony ZV-E10. I'm so excited for that to come in. I'll do a unbox with you guys as well as a review on it. I have a Sony a6000, and quite honestly, I'm pretty sure the Sony ZV-E10 is a lot better because if you guys have that camera, you know that camera the screen doesn't flip up, which I don't know why they even made a screen like that. I don't know, maybe they have a science behind it, but for you guys to even put vlogging in the description of that camera is ridiculous. Okay, so I have a white one and a green one, which is nice because I hate putting my utensils on paper towels. Like, I hate it. The next thing I bought was a whole bunch of paper towels. I know that's not our waiting on my Instacart delivery person. Oh, she's here.
Hi, thank you so much. By far the easiest order all day.
Oh, thank you. She said by far my order was the easiest. Thank God, because I was hoping she found everything. She's gonna get additional tip for that. The next thing I got, what this is? Oh, okay, so HSIA. Okay, so I'm doing a brand deal with HSIA. So they sent me a sample bra to try to see if this size fits. I don't really know my size. The girls did grow. So I'm not gonna try it on because this is just a sample. So when they actually do send me the stuff for me to do a video on, please be on the lookout for that because they are a very good brand. You ladies, definitely check them out. This next thing I bought, I don't even remember what this is. Oh, I think I've seen Sky Jackson. I think that's her name. I think I've seen her recommend this brand. I don't know if it's focused, but it's the Sensitive plus Rosewater and Pink Sea Salt Scrub and Wash. So I really want to try this. Let's see. Oh, this smells so good. Oh man, oh, I can't wait to use this tonight. I'm definitely using this tonight. Honestly, I also got this yesterday. I could probably show you guys too. It's the Puffy Eyes and Dark Circles. Like, I haven't really been getting sleep and I've been starting noticing like dark eyes, and I'm like, bro, like I'm only 30 something, you know, I shouldn't be getting this at this age. So I bought this so I can add it to my skin routine. The next thing I got is this 2-tier under sink organizer. Like, I have a friend named Ariel. Shout out to you, Ariel, if you're watching my video. She's probably the most organized person I know. So I started one by one, started getting things that'll help me better organize myself. So that way I come home and my home is my peace. Right now, like, things are like chaotic because I have this old ottoman still here, and there's a dresser up down here that needs to go upstairs, and we got to bring a dresser downstairs. Like, it's chaotic right now. Slowly but surely, I'm definitely going through the process of organizing so that way, like, I know where everything is and I'm not like in a frantic trying to look for something. So I will put this together and put it under the sink and show you guys the final look on how it looks. Now that I got my groceries, I'm gonna start cooking. All right, you guys, so this is all the ingredients I'll be using for the Rasta pasta. This is shrimp. So yeah. So I'm excited. I'm starving right now, and I have garlic bread. He loves garlic bread. If this man can eat garlic bread with anything, he would. So I'm gonna go ahead. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record everything, so I'm gonna do my best to show you guys what I'm doing. All right, you guys, so the first thing you want to do when your pot is boiling is put in some salt, and please do not be shy with the salt. All right, so once our water is boiling, we're gonna drop in our penne pasta or whatever pasta you like, and we're gonna stir. Whatever meat you're using for this Rasta pasta, please make sure you clean your meat. Okay, thank you. All right, now that our shrimp is nice and clean, we're gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of that jerk seasoning. And once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and massage it in there, and I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. Luckily, I had another battery because my camera died. So I left I put the shrimp in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. So now I'm waiting for the pasta to finish, and then I'm gonna start sauteing the bell peppers and onions and all that good stuff. So now that it's been 5 minutes, so I took the shrimp out. We're going to coat our pan with either olive oil or avocado oil. I'm using avocado oil, and we're gonna add our shrimp.
It's O-R-E-Y-O DJ Oreo.
I believed everything we had was last. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past.
We're gonna go ahead and cook the shrimp on 2 to 3 minutes. For 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then we're gonna flip it. Once your shrimp is done cooking, feel free to add your bell peppers as well as your minced garlic, onions, and or scallions, and saute it until soft. Once your vegetables are soft, feel free to start adding your seasoning after you've added in your heavy whipping cream. So the first thing I added seasoning wise is the sazon. I added the whole packet. After that, I added smoked paprika. Please measure these seasonings with your heart. I don't have a science as to how much I put in there. I put in as much as the ancestors tell me to. So as you can see, I just added garlic and onion powder, and now I'm adding black pepper. Parsley is an option. I don't have fresh parsley, so I added the flakes that I've always had, and then I go ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons of the jerk seasoning again. This is where I tell you guys, add the cheese of your liking. I added mozzarella cheese as well as the 3 Mexican cheese. Like, those are my favorite cheeses to add to my pasta. After I went ahead and mixed all that goodness up, I went ahead and added more cheese to try to thicken up the sauce. And don't be afraid to add more add more cheese, y'all, because I love me some cheese, so I'm gonna add as much as needed. What I meant to tell you guys is to drain your pasta and save some of that pasta water to add into the sauce. But once you drain it, add it into your sauce and stir.
That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I.
Once I stirred that pasta into that sauce goodness, I go ahead and add all of my shrimp.
I got it in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling you, say that you love me.
Feel free to add any more seasoning that you like, and also add more cheese to your liking. Make sure you're tasting your food too. Don't be out here cooking and you're not tasting, and making sure it's how you want it to taste. Okay, all right.
Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with.
We are all done, and this is how she's looking. I'm just waiting on the garlic bread to finish toasting, but yeah, she looks good, y'all. All right, so I'm all done with the pasta right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and start I'm always sorry for the language. I just get pissed off because I always forget the aluminum foil. Jeez, Nat. Yeah, I'm gonna do some garlic bread, and once that's done, I'm just gonna start cleaning the kitchen because I just hate when the kitchen is just. I just realized I didn't put the onion in there. I hate when the kitchen is a mess. So I'm gonna start cleaning and then just taking everything out because who the hell likes eating when you know the kitchen's dirty? So I'll be back. All right, so I am all done with cooking. Shit, the garlic bread, hold on. Okay, the garlic bread is good. So what I'm gonna do now is I did clean the kitchen, but there's still boxes and stuff that I opened earlier that I am gonna go ahead and start getting rid of, all that good stuff. So. Alright, so this is the before of under my sink. I'm gonna go ahead and fix up the 2-tier and show you guys the after. Yeah, I'm so aggravated that these big behind pipes are back here, so I wasn't able to like push this back there, but I was able to get a good majority of the stuff in here, so it looks a lot better. So definitely make sure that you don't have, you know, this huge thing. So it still works, so make sure it closes. It closes, but with that there, it's not gonna close all the way, so I'm gonna end up moving it. There. Better. So it's definitely worth it. It makes under the counter look a lot more organized. I'll have it in my description, or the link in my description. Bananas. It knocks it off. See, you ain't sneeze. This is how everything looks. With my favorite, one of my favorite red wine. I'm gonna toast to 9 years. I like these wine glasses. Huh? I can see that you enjoyed it. You gonna get a second plate? You gonna get a second plate? Okay. Well, alright, you guys, I'm gonna end it here. My bae enjoyed his meal. I enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Cheers.
3 kids in my home, love is so blind, it feels right.